Hi, everybody. This is Russ Graves. I have 30 years of experience in this industry, and I'm excited about the opportunities and the new applications that we are seeing in the marketplace today. As compared to the last several decades that I've been participating in this industry, we really are at the dawn of a very exciting new era in aerospace with new opportunities that are developing. Historically, this market has moved at a slow pace, more of an evolution of technology and applications. Today, it really is at the dawn of a revolution in terms of new technologies and new applications. There's a lot of talk about a revolution that's happening and potentially in private transportation in the area of eVTOLs. These are what are flying cars and taxis. So as many of you may be at my age, you may remember the Jetsons cartoons of our childhood and the promise of flying cars from decades ago. We are on the verge of having this become a reality. Literally hundreds of companies around the world are working on prototypes for a fly-off starting in 2020, and then eventually probably moving into production in the 2025 to 2027 timeframe. The goals of this particular market segment would be to significantly reduce traffic congestion on roads, highways, and at airports, create greater flexibility in travel schedules. There would be really, because these are vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, there would be no need for runways. Many of the concepts that are being proposed, and ultimately the ultimate goal of this market segment, is to achieve autonomous flight, so no pilots would be needed. And then there would be also a significant reduction in pollution with all-electric aircraft. So these are all-electric aircraft and a very exciting opportunity that is presenting itself in the marketplace. Now, as we kind of highlighted these various applications that are emerging in the marketplace, they're also pushing the bar in terms of technology and really changing the technology. And most of this is coming with the advent and the deployment of higher power levels and higher voltage levels in these crafts. We have been over the last decade and actually for the last couple of decades moving towards more electric aircraft. And these are providing more electronics on the aircraft and to provide previous functionality in regard to changing from hydraulic systems and pneumatic systems to electronic systems. But now we're moving into this area of hybrid electric aircraft and all-electric aircraft. And you need more power in order to be able to create lift for the engines, these electric engines or hybrid electric aircraft. And if you're lifting 4 passengers in a flying car and taxi, or whether you're lifting 50 passenger in a hybrid electric regional aircraft, you need more power in order to be able to do that, and that means a larger power plant on the craft. And then the way to get an efficient use of that power is to move to higher voltage. So ultimately, these are driving up the temperatures. These are creating more needs for thermal management, certainly driving up the power levels and driving up the voltage levels. And all of those create challenges for the electrical interconnect that TE supplies to the industry. So today, our product set is focused around relays and contactors. These are switching devices, wire and cable solutions, the connectors that go on the ends, and the termination devices that are used in these systems. TE is a leader in these technologies in the industry, is one of the largest suppliers of these technologies to the global industry as it is defined today. And working with these customers, these new customers in these new applications, we're looking at how we need to evolve these technologies to deal with the higher power levels and higher voltage levels that these new opportunities are are developing and imposing upon our product set and our solution set for our customers. So today, TE Conductivity participates in a number of global industries. Several of these industries have already been down the learning curve of implementing higher voltages and higher power levels. And so how can we use that in order to be able to shorten the learning curve in aerospace?